Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make emojis move on CapCut. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin this process, launch the CapCut app. Once you get inside, tap on Open Project and choose your desired photo. Tap on Add, then choose the text tool. Tap on the globe icon and the keyboard and choose to tap on the emoji. And here in the emoji section, you just have to choose your preferred emoji. So I choose this one. After choosing emoji, tap on Checked. Then tap on Keyframe and navigate to the end duration of the picture clip. Hold down the emoji and drag it to your desired position. For example, downwards, and adjust its size as needed. Confirm the changes by tapping on Check. Now, let's preview the adjustments. You'll notice the emoji moving downwards. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.